Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So hope all had a beautiful Saturday and Sunday. Now we have come back to a new trading session. So let's take a recap of last week. Okay, so what I usually do is from Monday to Friday, each day I take one trade only. Whether it is profit or loss, I take only one trade per day. That is a basic thing which I do. So from let's calculate from Monday to Friday of last week. I took 5 trades, each trade each day, 5 positive trades I had. So I calculated my profit. I took my payout. Now we had a beautiful Saturday and Sunday. Now we are coming to the next week. So first thing which I do before I get into trade is money management. So before entering to today's trade, what I do first is I calculate my risk and reward. So today I was targeting a profit of 3000, and if I had ended up into a loss, I would have lost 2500. So always keep your risk below, reward should be more. That's the first thing. So based on my profit, I first calculated my risk reward ratio, and money management is the first thing which I did. So after that, coming to today's trade, I had 3 reasons today also to take my trade. Today also I do have a multi confirmation trade. There are 3 reasons for my trade today also. So watch till the end. I'll discuss the 3 details in three. I will discuss the 3 reasons for taking the trade today in detail. So let's first uh, go into that. So today it is June 29th. Now the date is approximately 12 p.m. So coming to the orders list. So today I have worked on a stock called Infratel. At 10:48 I had a shorting opportunity. I shorted at 214.20, and at 11:36, almost 45 minutes, I ended up my trade at 212.75, and I had booked a profit of approximate 3,333 rupees. So as I said, I had 3 reasons for taking my trade today. As usual, the first reason will be confirmation of trend and a breakout consisting of minimum 3 lines, but today I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 lines. Then I did get a breakout. I took my entry at this breakout, and at this point I had exited my trade. So number one reason for my trade, as usual, it is a breakout strategy trade. Now coming to the second reason for taking my trade. The second reason for my taking this trade was there was a chart pattern which was forming here. The chart pattern name is flag pattern. The flag pattern looks something like this. We will have a straight pole, and we will have a wedge. So the chart, a flag pattern will have a long pole and something like this. This is referred to as flag pattern. So in Infratel today I had flag pattern. So reason one was a breakout. Reason two was having a flag chart pattern. And coming to the reason third, reason three was, as usual, I ended at this breakout, and I had booked some profit, and I have not taken a scalping trade but went for a conventional trade. The reason was again I got a breakout at this point. So and let's see the risk reward ratio. It is 1. So if I had gained, I would have got 3,000. If I have lost also, I would have lost 3,000. So coming to money management point and risk reward ratio has been discussed here. So it was a multi confirmation trade. I had 3 reasons. One is breakout, one is based on chart pattern, that is flag pattern, and 2 breakouts in the Infratel chart. So that's all for today, guys. Today we had booked a profit of approximate 3,333. So keep supporting, keep watching, do comment, do share. Thank you.